What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we're going to be working up with a new section, and that will be our services section. So basically we want to show some services down below to our website. Okay, so how it will be, we have to just click this, okay, and it will be the regular, and I want the full width. Okay, so now here you can see that I have a whole section. Let me just delete it and show you everything from scratch. So you can see I have a whole section, and inside this I have a row, and inside this I can add anything. Okay, let me just delete it. Let me just come here, right, and I'm gonna click this. You can see it is coming like this, the regular. Okay, you have to click this because we need a regular section. The first full width is now totally done, and now we need a regular. I'm just gonna click here. You can see this is coming like this. I'm just gonna click this guy right here because I need a normal section. So I'm just gonna click here, and you can see this is coming like this. Okay, and the first thing what I'm gonna add is should be a text heading or anything like this. Okay, so instead of text, I basically use the call to action because the call to action has a heading. So let's see if we have a heading right here. So you can see that we don't have a heading. So I want to add a heading basically. How will I add this? I'll just come here. I'll just click call to action. Okay, and on clicking this, you'll see a heading will appear. You can also move with the text. Okay, you can see this is the text that is coming. You can click here and this text is coming right here. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna enter my heading. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna click text, and here I have to enter the heading. So I'm just gonna enter this H1, okay, and then this, and then slash H1, and then this, and here I can enter any of the heading. So I'm just gonna enter my heading, and my heading is going to be our services. Okay, so you can pretty well go to the visual tab, and you can see this is now changed to heading right here. So if I click here, you can see this is heading 1, or you can just come here and enter this code right here. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to the design right here. I'm gonna go to the text, and I want to bring this to center. So I'm going to go down till I find this text orientation, and this is now add to center right here. So I'm just going to increase the text size. I'm just going to increase it a bit. Heading text, let's increase it. Okay, so we have to work with the heading text, not the text. Okay, I'm just gonna come here to the heading text, and let's increase it. I think till here. Okay, cool. And now here we can change it to be Open Sans. So the default heading font is Open Sans only. Okay, you can see, and then we can go with the font weight. So you can make it ultra bold if you want to. You can move with the bold if you want to, and I will be going up with the regular one or the light. So I think the semi-bold looks cool. We'll just go with the regular. Okay, so you can see this is looking totally okay. I'm gonna go ahead and I am just gonna change this. So I'm gonna change the color of this. I'm gonna click this guy right here, and I'm gonna come here, and now I have to change the color of this. So how you can change it, you can just bring it right here, and then you can change it. So I'm gonna change it to golden right here. Okay, and I'm going to change this to golden right here. So you can see, okay, I'm going to select it and then golden. Select golden. I want to select it, come here, golden. What the? Okay, I don't know why it is not working like this. Let's just choose it to be black. Let's come here, let's come here, let's choose it to be golden. Let's come here, let's choose it to be golden, blue, yellow, anything. So if everything is working right, is not, yeah, okay. This is working now. You can see we have our services section right here. I'm going to go to OUR right here, and I'm going to go to the font size. So I'm just going to decrease the font size of OUR. Increase it a bit. Okay, I'm going to come here, and I'm going to decrease the font size of this as well. Okay, you can see how this is looking. We have our services section right here. So here now we're gonna add some services. So this is how you can edit it basically. Okay, you can edit everything from here. We're gonna add some more, and we're gonna add our services right here. How we're gonna add it? We basically need one more thing, and that is a divider. So I need a divider right here. You can see that this divider is coming. I'm gonna hit show divider, and I'm gonna go to the design right here. I'm gonna go to the color. So I'm gonna select the color, and it should be this golden color. Okay, and then I have to go to the style right here. I'm gonna select the solid color. I'm gonna go to the divider position, so it should be top. I'm gonna go to the sizing, and divider weight should be I think 2 pixel. And then I'm gonna decrease the height, sorry, width. I'm gonna align it to center, and I'm gonna decrease it. So you can see how this is looking. Okay, cool. So you can see how this is looking. Okay, I want to bring this to top, up to a bit top. Okay, I'm gonna go to advanced right here. I'm gonna go to, sorry, the design, and then I'm gonna go to the spacing. So in the spacing, I have to decrease the margin. Okay, I'm gonna come here, minus 30 pixels. No, I'm gonna increase it a bit. Okay, let's add it to be minus 20. Minus 20, no, minus 10. So minus 10 looks totally perfect. So you can see how this is looking. We have our services section right here, and then we're gonna add more. So what we have to do is that we need to add some services right here. So we need to bring this to full down. Okay, you can see how this is, and then we want to click this because we need to add a new row, and then here in that row we want to add something. So I'm just gonna click here, it's gonna add a new row, and in that row I want 4 services. So 4 services, or you can show 3 if you want to, so it totally depends upon you. Okay, now here I want to go to the blurb right here. The blurb is like here it would be an icon, and then here would be the description, and the call to action is basically a button, a call to action heading. Okay, so it totally depends that which thing you want to add. You can also add a text editor, and then you can add it. You can also add a toggle. You can also add a testimonial or anything. But I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna add a blurb right here. So you can see this will come right here. I have to enter the title right here, and my title is going to be I think photography. Okay, I want to go to the image and icon. So I'm going to use an icon right here, and I need a camera right here. So let's go down until we find the camera. Okay, let's choose this one for photography. Okay, because I cannot find the camera. It is so hard for me to find it. I know they have it. They have it in there, but I cannot see it. Okay, now here, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to the text right here, and here I want to add something. So that is going to be normal text. So you can add lorem ipsum, the dummy content. Okay, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna open the dummy content. Okay, I'm gonna come here, and here we have the lorem ipsum right here. I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna copy. So I'm gonna hit generate lorem ipsum, and here I have the lorem ipsum. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna copy this right here, and let's see that how much we want it. So I'm gonna paste it right here. So this is basically used for demo purposes, that when you want to create a demo based website. Okay, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna decrease it a bit, I'm gonna remove till this till here, and I think just remove this till here. Cool. Okay, you can see this is coming right here exactly as we wanted. Okay, I'm gonna go to the design right here, and I'm gonna go to the image and icon. So I'm gonna choose the icon to be the golden one, okay, because my theme is this golden. Okay, I can just make it a little bit more brighter. Okay, and then I have the circle icon. I can also choose the circle icon if I want to, but I don't want to choose the circle icon. I'm gonna go to the text right here. The text should be aligned to center, so you can see how this is. You can also just use this justified if you want to. Okay, I'm gonna choose the justified right now. Okay, I'm gonna go to the title text right here, and my title text should be this much. Okay, and then I have this whole content right here. So I want to go to the body text right here, and my body text should be justified right here. I don't think so. Justified is looking a bit much cool, so I'm going to choose this one. Okay, this is looking cool. I'm going to come here and I'm going to decrease it from here. So let's just click this, and you can see this is how it is looking. We have our services right here. We have the photography on top. Okay, what I want to do right now. Okay, I want to just grab this again. I want to duplicate it, and then I want to add that in this row. So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna click this guy right here, and I'm gonna hit duplicate, duplicate. So we have 3 right here. I'm just gonna drag it and drop it here in this column, and drag it and drop it here in this column. Okay, cool. I want to change this to be. So we have photography, album, editing, video. No. I think here should be decorations. Decorations. Invite. Invite designs. So here we have this. I'm going to choose a new color right here. Okay, I'm going to come here. I'm going to choose the design. And then I'm going to go to the image and icon, and I'm going to choose the icon. So I'm going to go to the content right here. I'm going to go to the image and icon, and I'm going to choose a new design right here. So let's go down till we find the design, a bit of design. Okay. Okay, and then here I'm going to edit this guy right here. Okay, so let's just double click it. I hope this is the one. Let's go to the text. Okay, this is the decorations. I'm going to go to the image and icon again, and I'm going to choose one icon. So for this, the decoration, we need to choose. Okay, I've got the photography one. Here we go. I'm going to choose this one, and the photography is coming right here. This is the camera. Okay, I was just finding it out. Okay, I'm going to come here to the decorations right here, and for the decorations, I think this one. Looks cool. Okay, so let's have a look at our website. You can see that we have our header right here that says next door events, the best management company, and then we have the contact us, and then we have our services right here. So this looks really amazing, I think, because we want to focus on just one thing. So if my client has said that his business card design is basically a black and golder, and I want to go with that, then you can see how this is looking. So we have our services sections. Okay, same like this. I want 6 designs basically. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to just duplicate it one more time so that I can change it. I'm going to come here. I'm going to click here. And then for this, I want it to be okay, just leave it. Okay, so you can see that we have these right here. I'm just going to make it, multiply it so that it doesn't look much, it doesn't look bad. Okay, here, this should be here. And this should be here. So I think now this is looking a bit cool. I think I should change this section color. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to go to the image and icon. I'm going to choose the icon for this. So it should be like video shoot. We can change it to be video shoot. Okay, and then here I want to choose a different icon. So make sure that you full time keep your focus on this after the header, because people focus on this after the header, and this should be perfect, clean, and amazing. Okay, I'm gonna choose something that looks a bit of video type. So I'm gonna go down, and here we have the VLC. I don't think so. If it matches it, I'm gonna go down. Okay, this one, video shoot. Cool. I'm gonna come here to the decorations right here, and this should be event planning, event marketing. Okay, and then here I'm gonna choose for marketing. I think I should go up with this one, and this is the last one, so this can be the catering. I think so, catering. Okay, and then here I need a bit about food table or something like that. So let's go down till we oh my god. Control Z, click here, catering, RANG, click here again, and we want to select this. Okay, everything looks cool from here. This perspective, you can see how this is. We have our services section right here. We have these 3 services that are coming, and I want to increase the padding a bit so that we have equal distance from here. Okay, there we go. You can see everything looks cool. We have our header, and then we have our services section, and you can see how this is. So if you want to make it full width, you can also make it full width. How you're gonna do this, you're gonna just come here to the row setting, you have to go to the design, and then you have to go to the sizing. So you can make it full width if you want to. Okay, and this will be full width, and then let's come here and you can see how this is looking. If you want to make it full width. Otherwise, I would not recommend you to make it full width, because otherwise it will not look much better. Until you have 4 columns, if you want to add 4 columns, you can make it full width. But you can also move with the custom gutter width. What is this? Is that it means the spacing between these rows. So you can just come here, and then you can just come here. You can see how this is. So you can manage the spacing, that how you want the spacing to be. So I think 2 looks cool a bit, or 3. 2 looks cool. I'm gonna come here, same thing I'm gonna do with this guy right here. I'm gonna go to the design, and I'm gonna go to the spacing, not the spacing, the sizing, the custom gutter width, and I'm gonna choose 2 right here. Let's hit enter. Let's come here and let's hit save. Here we go. We're done. So thanks a lot guys for watching this, and bye bye.